Good morning, y'all. Every time I come to y'all, it's crusty. Look at my lips. This is self-sabotage. Look at I can't even smile. You know how your lips be so dry? You can't. Morning, y'all. Y'all like my cup? Look, hold on. It says, all is come, all is bright, round young red. Don't get me started. Don't get me started. So I just woke up. Not exactly. I took a shower and I brushed my teeth. This is the point. I woke up this morning. Thank you, Jesus. So I woke up today and, you know, I got to film, you know. What is this dark shadow right here? Why is there a dark shadow there? Today's the day that I need to do my facial hair removal. And I know you're like, oh my God, Michelle, you're so perfect. You grow facial hair? I know, girl, I know, it's hard to believe. But yes, we all do in some sort of way, shape, or form. And I believe that it should be removed, but that's just my belief. I don't want a beard. That look doesn't work for me. It just doesn't work for me. Maybe it works for you. Maybe it's your look. It's your thing. Do what you want to do. I'm basically going to show you guys what it is that I do to remove the little, and it might not even be like long hairs, because I'm that girl that gets like 2 or 3 thick hairs. And I mean, they grow in the same spot. The same spot comes out of the same, just one follicle, just continuous. And sometimes if I'm laying down in bed and I feel it, like I'll get up from bed, go pluck it, and then return. It's just like, once I know that that it's there, I gotta get it. I was just talking about this to one of my clients, like last week sometime, and she said the same thing. She's just like, and it's like, I wanna get it out. I plucked stuff yesterday, but today I'm just gonna show you how I dermaplane, because I don't like those little fuzzies either, like on my face. I don't like that either. So my first step is the Bloom Effects Royal Tulip Nectar. I got this in a BoxyCharm and I just always use this, especially in times that I'm like seriously dry, which is like every day. It's a moisturizing nectar. Let me just give you guys a glimpse of this so you can see the consistency, because it's actually pretty insane. It looks like honey and it's like got your little clumps and stuff, and you just take that, just thick and sticky. It literally looks like some honey, and it's like extremely moisturized. No, this is like over moisture, which is kind of what you want though when you're about to dermaplane. In my personal opinion, I feel like you should want heavy moisture, you know what I'm saying? Because you're about to go in on a tool that's gonna rub up against your skin. You need a nice moisturizing barrier. Okay, I like to lay it on pretty thick, as you can see. And for some reason, this moisturizer, I don't know if it's like blending in with body temperature, but it feels hot. Not hot, warm. I want to show you guys my dermaplaning tools. So I get these from Amazon. I will link them down below for y'all. But these are dermaplaning tools. They really do replicate the actual like professional office dermaplaning tools. They're really good. They never did me wrong. If anything is wrong with my skin after dermaplaning, it's usually because of something I've done. Lack of moisturizing. I didn't exfoliate. Like, it's my fault. But these are just very standard. What you want to do, we're gonna zoom into the crust. Come on, baby. Wow. That's crazy. I usually start on the cheek area, and I just take small light strokes, and I just begin to make sure I cover every area. And the way you can tell you've covered every area is, of course, by the disappearance of the moisturizer itself. And you go in. You just want to take that on a clean towel. I like to use paper towels for this, just to make sure you're not wiping bacteria from any other thing. You know, paper towels are the best. You should dry your face with paper towels even after washing your face. And you just want to make sure you cover every area. Getting into some pros, because I really don't think there are any cons when it comes to dermaplaning, to be honest with y'all. As long as you're taking the correct steps, it really should benefit you in a major way. Major. Dermaplaning is said to remove dead skin from the face. It's also said to remove that little fuzzy hair from the entire face. Dermaplaning also, and it not, well, lighten sounds harsh, brighten the skin tone, because at the end of the day, hair darkens pigment. It makes things appear even darker. I was actually watching something. I've been obsessed lately with, like, and when I say obsessed, I'm not talking about like the regular YouTuber when they say obsessed. No. There's a problem here with this, and I have been watching documentaries and commentary videos on people from the 20s, 30s into the 50s. They were saying that some of the actresses and even some actors, they would remove or shave their faces to get rid of hair to lighten their skin. Now, that was their main purpose. Their main purpose was to lighten the skin, because back in the day, Hollywood was obsessed with, basically, for lack of better words, whitewashing. And so, like, they wanted everyone's skin to be as light as it possibly could. You know, that's just really what they went for. And it's just so insane to me. But I forgot her name. Was it Rita Hayworth? Because Rita Hayworth was actually Mexican. She was a Mexican woman, and they changed her hair from brunette or black, really dark brown, whatever the case may be. They changed her hair from that to red to make her seem more American, because they wanted that American woman, you know? And one of the steps they took to brighten or lighten her skin, or to get rid of her exoticness, was shaving the hair off of her face. So I said all that to say, this can do that. It can have that effect. It will brighten your skin, because hair darkens you. And life in Hollywood is dark. It's very dark. One of the places you want to make sure you get is around your lips. You would be surprised, okay? I haven't seen anyone with hairy lips. I've never seen hair on lips, like growing out of lips. I've never seen it. But around, like when you turn to the side, you'll see hair, like the little fuzzies growing right beneath your lip, and it makes such a perfect line, you know, like the line of your lips. And yeah, girl, boy, you gotta do that, you know? All right, so I'll just take my leftover moisturizer and just leave that on, because I needed it in the first place, because I just exfoliated. And we are all smooth. Baby's bottom goals. So that is how I dermaplane, or basically my facial hair removal. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just wanted to quickly show you guys this routine, just so I can have it in the archives. You know what I'm saying? But I love y'all. Thank y'all for joining me in this quick video here. Have a good day. Make smart choices. If no one else cares about you, I care about you. And I really want you to have a good day. I really do, because one day can make a difference for the rest of lives. And it's just really a serious thing. I love y'all. Get that hair off that chin. Bye. Hairy chin. That's disgusting. That tea is nasty.